Hello all, welcome back to Investor Grows. I'm here to present you a plug-and-play office space at Banjara Hills for lease. Let's look into the video. We have total 55 workstations and we are heading towards the conference room with a sitting capacity of 15 members where we can have our meetings. We have total 6 cabins and this is the cabin number 2. Third cabin, cabin 4, this is the cabin 5, and this is the cabin number 6. And this is the server room, and we have centralized AC with 100% power backup. And this is the pantry area. For more details regarding the space, do call the number in the description. Thank you.